small forward, jersey number 52, Apable. Shooting guard, jersey number 29, Paroso. Center, jersey number 8, Pinyamar. Power forward, jersey number 62, Pan. And a point guard, jersey number 2, Benito. And from the home team, Talugtug Little Giants Junior Division. And starting five, it's starting at center, jersey number 23, Pangabiligan. At guard, jersey number 01, Piliano. Power forward, jersey number 20, Kapuan. Small forward, jersey number 6, Palawan. And a shooting guard, jersey number 11, Ancheta. Isa pa na pong seremonya. And a very good line from one. Ito dito, pinamaka ang bola. Kicks out to Barroso. And a Barroso finding the open man to Apable. And a shot at 10. Apable to the other side. 80 shoot. And a getting out. And a big rebound by Pangilinan. Kabuan, double defender. Extra pass Pangilinan. And at the top, kick out. Pangalawan to Magbago. And to the other side, made away shot, Prince Boy. Niligid ito Barroso. And Apable, set screen by Pilamar. Apable pass to the open man. And to the other side, and Brian, baseline, pass to the middle, and from mid-range. And the first basket from Pangalawan, speed move. And for the cut. And is it this? And Apable, pass to the open man again, right over in three. And eating out on the target. Pangalawan to Ancheta. Ancheta penetrate. Hold! Out the glass, Maya. Then Pellegrino, figure sa Apable. Back to Pan, and from mid-range. Basket is good. It's Maximo Ancheta. Pellegrino setting the play. And Apable to the other side. Apable again. And from long two. And the shot is good. And a Palawan goes inside. Shooting in the air. And a check by Piliano. Piliano from close moves. And a Portalan. Pinoy shot. And again. The Midlands boy. And Apable sent screen by Apable. Apable setting the play. And a sweet pass. Pellegrino beyond arc. Three-point play. And a Kapuan on the move. Pupanawana. Take a shot. This is good. And Williams Pellegrino. Apable to Apable. And Apable try for the basket. And a speed to the game. Manyoska, 80 shoot. And to the other side, wide open at the corner. And a Kapuan to the getting triple the burger. And a Kubingana kicks out inside. Underneath. Basket is good. Panjas Covinamo, back to Pellegrino. And Pellegrino running for teammates to Villamar. 10 to shoot. Pass outside again to Pellegrino. 5 to shoot. And drop pass inside. Other lane, here is. And a message rebound by Villamar. Step back for 3. And this time is a good power. Villamar. pass inside. And lay up short. And a put back and Picano. And a Park with the ball. Park to Manyos, back to Park. And a kicks out to the other side. Buenaventura pick the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. And here comes Park. Park's on three. Whee! Angela again. And airball on the basket. And Buenaventura pass inside. Manyos extra pass outside to Park. Cancel. And a behind the back Park. And a side stepping move. And it is on the bracket. He will play Pagatuan. And a Kapuala looking for teammates to hold it on. Calderon para naman again, Blake. And elbow. Nagkakaroon ni Smith na Ventura. Buenaventura to be discarded. And looking for teammates to Park. And here comes Park, drive on the basket, puts it up, miss. And a battle for the rebound. Manyos can save the ball. Buenaventura. And the shot is good. James Talib, 19-18, 1 point lead, Sunset. Calderon with the ball, guarded by Park. And Andrew Rabbit picks up the ball. And an inside pass for the cut, too strong. And a putback, and a Pablo Park for the cut. And will be finished with Park. The next player with the ball. Calderon and extra pass, Angela. Angela again, big away shot. And at this time, it's a big rebound by Manyoska. And a shot clock, 20 seconds remaining. And here comes Park to Buenaventura. 10 seconds. Buenaventura using the time in 5 seconds. And here comes Park. And a Park. Manyos rebounding, looking for the receiver. Buenaventura inside. And what a nice pass coming from Manyoska. Buenaventura. And a back to Park. And a Park no look pass again at the corner. And a too strong put back to the receiver. And what a nice play. Pagatuan. Lead by Dimas Sunset. Kapal to Angela from mid-range. Talaga naman. The mid-range ball. And a right corner three. Way off. And still again by Menegrino. Buenaventura for the hand. Back to Menegrino. Wide open three. Short. And a battle for the rebound again. Left hand shot. Take it. Battle for the ball. Big rebound. Put back. Satumba. Angela to Parawan. And inside pass underneath. Oh! And what a nice pass. And a Manyoska. Extra pass to Abella. Abella again on Patterson three. He missed. And a rebound by Pumarine. And a Kampala. Double winner. Pandito Pimar. Pass to Miguel. Carpero lays up. Put it in. And the second one is good by Menegrino. 36-29. 7-point lead. James Nelson. And Kampala. Good pass. And over again by Angela. Parawan. Parawan off balance and underneath. Basket by Pumarina. Menegrino Silva sa Manyoska. Back to Menegrino. And a kicks out now to Abella. Abella from the strong move. And a to Pangana. Put up J. And using the board by 40-31 score. And a Kabla shooting in the air. He missed. And as a rebound, Panaruan, short. And again, for number 30, Cabral, Pagsabu. 40-33, 7-point lead. And a part to Pable. Pable at the baseline of the order. And good on the basket. Panaruan, and against by Manjoska. To Cabral, and Cabral again, swing pass, says back. And a battle for the ball. And Jenna again. And puts it in. And Cabral loses the ball. And a recovery again by Angela. Side step for three, got it off. And ball. And a shot clock turned off. 20 seconds left. Manjoska power break. And the service denied by Calderon. 17 seconds. And Angela spinning move. And Angela across the lane, too strong. And again, Angela again, pinaway shot, put back. Pinapintura di Bittisarte. Sa tumba again, Parson Green. Ray sa tumba. Angela sa screen by Panginoon, pass naman yung Panaruan. And a Panaruan, number sila ngayon, may Benaventura. And a front goes to post. And he lays it in. And here comes Benaventura. Benaventura, and too strong. Pagkatuan with the ball, and a mouse pasok ang buwan. That ball again, goes inside. And a strong move. Good ball. 54 put. Benaventura kicks out to Manjoska. Spin, turn around game. And a hit the board. Manjoska. Angela pass to the Panaruan. To Pagaduan. And a fake. And across the lane. Lane's good. Satuba, that's ball. Step number 3. Bingo! 3. And a Satuba. The ball. And a ball of James short. Rebound by Pangan. Pangan double defender. To Benaventura. And a Benaventura to the other side. Manjoska shot is off. And a pass rebound again. Manjoska kicks out to the open man. Satuba, ball of James. And in and out on the target, and again, for the opportunity. And the shot is good, using the board by Pan. And Angela back to Cabral. Cabral attack the ring, and an inside pass underneath. But it does. Benaventura front goes to host, and again, wide open. And ball shot pa. And ang foul na Jose Do. And here goes Angela. Pass na middle to Pagaduan. Pagaduan to Cabral. Answer is good by the ball. 65-48. And ang Benaventura sa rin play set screen. Sweet pass again sa tumba again. Bingo! Talaga naman back to back. By Yusuf. Angela. This is the relegation. And a mouse pass counter still by Cabral. Cabral lightweight ang bola. Nasutuloy agad di Manjoska. And Cabral again. Drop pass to open man. And a window. Grab support by Pinamar. Sutuma to Benaventura. 3-on-2. And kicks out inside pass. Whoa! And what a nice connection from Team San Jose. Benaventura to Panoso. Keep Panoso naman. And this time is good. Rebound by Cabral. And Cabral ay tawid ang bola. Cabral ay discard no pass and a battle for the ball. And I steal. Benaventura and for the cut. Finish is good. Aaron Buckley. Abdul. And again, that was hit by the Team San Jose. Buenaventura, bounce pass again. Back to back volleys by Ermaki Abelia. Kabuala to Ancheta. And another rapid, batting for the ball, pick the ball by Abelia. And other Ray, back to it. The Plastic Man. 10 seconds on the shot clock. And a behind the back pass. And a jumper basket is good by Ancheta. Pero sa back to Menegrito. And Abelia take a shot. And a bumping return. Abelia. And a jumper miss. And a counter still again by Pable. And the service block from behind. A simple. Menegrito to Park. Back to Menegrito. And Pable. Pick. Pable next pass outside to Park. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. And a pass inside. Libre si Ermaki Abelia sa ilalim. Silvestre. 10 seconds. And still by Menegrito. And a break. Put it. 5 seconds. And a beat the buzzer. And a produce good by Ancheta. And a Park to Pable. Back to Park. Sweet pass sa Manyaska. And to the corner, Buenaventura. And next pass outside, Pable gets the ball. And Pable goes inside. And from perimeter again. Silvestre. Ancheta again. And this time again, put back. And again, way off. Silvestre by the rebound. Pangatuan. And again, puts it up. Lewis. Good boost. And that one goes past the wall. And a Park to Manyaska. Next pass to Pable. And kicks out to the other side. And a jumper is good. Quick release by Buenaventura. And here comes Park. Pable from way downtown. And miss on the target, rebounding up long. Silvestre. And Halil. Turn around G. And a pass over there. Corpus from Bill. Way up, put back. Jump one. Buenaventura to Pable. Back to Manyaska. 10 to shoot. And Pable. And again, jumper short. Pable again to the corner. Buenaventura. And shot lang at 10. And out the window. Buenaventura. Ancheta double defender. Kabual gets the ball. And Kabual another rain kicks out. Pangatuan. And so it's good with Pangatuan. Ganyan po ang ating main event, ang ating senior division. Talugtug versus San Jose. Senior division. 8 to shoot. And our Park puts it in. Ancheta gets the bucket. And underneath is good by Pardo. And Ancheta. Another drive. Too strong. And a big rebound by Satuma. Menegrito swing pass to Paroso. And a Pajardo, punch on 3. And off the mark, good back by Abelia, in and out. Kabual running. And a bounce pass inside Alcaraz. And answers good. Baseline, Pajardo again. Back-to-back points by Pajardo. Pajardo to Baros on the corner. And a shot clock at 10. Panoso on the move. 2 minute Grito, wide open. Back to Panoso again. Corner 3, short. Special rebound, pull back, Abella. Maki Abella. And still playing Panoso. And again, too strong. And a big rebound by Felix Mejia. Felix Mejia pass inside to Pagaduan. To Antera. And answers good by Antera. Panoso beyond the arc. 3! 7 on the score. Felix Mejia to Antera again. And check by the team San Jose. At the break, Panoso. And the last one, Panoso. Abella again. Great! Air ball by Felix Mejia. And behind the back pass to Fajardo. Gets the bucket. Swing pass, Felix Mejia again. And a jumper miss. Special rebound put back. Antera again. And this one is still good by Abella. Alcaraz to Antera. And Antera to Rapi. Take a shot, basket. Fajardo, right corner 3, too strong. And a save the ball by Satuma, pass to the middle. And a basket by Hilgib. Sayang, 30 points to Mr. Carl Antera. And underneath is good by Ermaki. Alcaraz on the drive. Uy! Hindi ang pamasyon. And set the screen by dito. From top of the key, Himis. To Ermaki. In and out. And one place in best friend. Felix Mejia back to Silvestre to Felix Mejia. And in now, Fajardo to Panoso. Kaya maglagay na po ang ating main event ng ating senior division. Talundug versus San Jose. 3 to shoot. From far away, short, pull back, and a ball ball, Abella, one shot. And still, and a shot clock is off. 15 seconds left. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And that's the end of the regulation. The final score, 109-75, winner by Sunset City Rice Beaters.